Hi everyone, I'm Pam, and I am going to show you some ways. I don't even think I put them up, but they're a little older. They have my old logo on. They have, yeah, I'm just not feeling them right now. So I want to change them up a bit, and I also want to resize them. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Um, my main thing is I'm going to change up this. I don't like the font. So I don't know why, but I am going to go over here and I'm going to check my brand fonts to see if I like them a little bit better. Okay, so I can read this a little better. Okay, so what I am going to do is, I could have done it on, let me go show you another one because, all right. So how to change the font throughout the whole thing. This is how you would do it. So I just said I don't like it. So I'm going to go up here and I am just going to go Poppins. Okay, now right down here it says change all. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick, and it's going to change that font throughout the whole thing. And there we go. Change font changed across your whole design. All right, so that is a little better. Okay, there's things that I'm not liking. So I'm going to take out the logo as well. And that's probably the most time consuming going to happen. Okay, so consistency. What I should have did was make this, put this down. Okay, so this is where the overthinking comes in. Let me look at this again. You know what? I'm not going to stress on this. This is fine. I am just going to redo, like undo what I just did and see the process here, you guys. You have to know what you really, really want. Okay, so I'm going to keep it as is because I just thought of how much time this might take me just because I don't like where this consistency is key, just all that. No, let's take that out. Okay. I am going to change the colors. I am going to change the pink to orange. And right down here, I'm just going to change them all like that. And then I am going to change the blue to this blue, change all the turquoise to that. And then I'm going to change to yellow. Nope, I'm going to change. Let me change. Let me brown. Would that work a little bit? Or I could, let's just do that. So I'm going to change all the green to that. It's not like bright. Because I changed up my logos earlier this year or later this year. So, and then I'm going to change this yellow. to that yellow. And I think it was already that yellow. So, okay, so all the colors are changed now. So that's lovely. Now, I would go which one did change the font. So I'm going to go over here to where it says grid view on the very bottom left corner. I'm going to see if there's any that I have to do adjustments on. So I'm thinking all this looks good. There's a couple I probably want to bring down, but basically none of it's like going off the thing. I think we're going with that. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to open number 1 here. I'm going to take this off and then over to my brand. Over here on the left hand side, and I'm going to pop the logo right in there, and then size it, and then I'm going to put it right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure all of this is right. I am going to and then what I'm going to do is just, oh shoot, that's not what I love the undo button. Love the undo button. Okay, so let's go to this one. I'm going to delete that and just paste. So I'm going to do this throughout the whole thing, and then we're going to be ready to resize. Okay, so the logo is different now. Now we're going to resize it. And this is a pro feature. So if you have pro, this is a time saver. Time. All right, so resize. And we are going to Instagram reel, but they're pretty well the same size. Like I want to do story, and reel is the same, and so is TikTok and Facebook story. So let's just grab this, and I'm going to copy and resize all of them. And you're going to have to do a little adjustment, but that's okay. Okay, and we're going to open. Like the shadow, we're going to have to fix. All you really need to do, let's just try to see what we can do. We are going to bring that there. I know this does not look all the way right, but what I'm going to do is kind of put them all together. Okay, and then I'm going to put my logo up here like that. Make it a little bit bigger. And let's see here. Oh, that looks good to me. So basically that's what I'm going to do for all of them. If I want to put like a call to action here, I definitely will like join my Facebook group for more ideas, something like that. So that's how you and eyes. All right. Thank you.